Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel SSRY Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to learn 50 opposite words in English. Are you ready children? Let's go. Big, small, tall, short, hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad, day, night, up, down, in, out, open, close, full, empty, old, young, clean, dirty, hard, soft, heavy, light, wet, dry, early, late, right, wrong, near, far, loud, quiet, strong, weak, rich, poor, thick, thin, high, low, long, short, begin, end, come, go, give, take, push, pull, buy, sell, laugh, cry, sit, stand, start, stop, love, hate, same, different, inside, outside, before, after, above, below, always, never, more, less, left, right, front, back, kind, mean, easy, difficult, light, dark, sweet, sour, beautiful, ugly, safe, dangerous, alive, dead, busy, free, good, bad. Well done children. These are 50 simple opposite words. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.